Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make at home rhubarb and ginger flavoured gin. So this is using a recipe I found on the internet. We'll leave that link down in the description box, and I will pop the ingredients just in the next slide so you can screenshot them to make them yourself. Do hope you enjoy this recipe and stay tuned and we'll get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my container, so I'm using the glass jar here and I have previously made this. I've got a little label that says rhubarb and ginger gin. And into my jar, the first ingredient I'm going to pop in is my sugar. Now I'm going to use a spoon to help me get this in. So I've got all my sugar in my jar now and not too much spilt out, thankfully. And the next thing I'm going to pop in is my rhubarb. So I've just washed my rhubarb and chopped it up, and I'm going to pop this in now. Just fits quite nicely, as you can see. Next thing I'm going to pop in is my ginger. I've just cut that up, so in that goes. And then the last ingredient to go in is the gin. Now I'm just using a store own brand gin. You don't want to use anything too fancy here because obviously the rhubarb and the ginger will take on the flavour of the gin. So I'm going to pop that in. That's a perfect quantity in my jar. So the next thing I'm going to do is pop my lid on and give it a shake. Make sure your lid's tightly screwed on at this point. Now at the moment it won't look a great deal, so it'll just look like a lot of sugar in there. But what you do want to do is just give this gin a shake every couple of days, and it will be ready in about 3 weeks. So you do pop it into a cupboard and leave it until it's ready. What I will do is I'll do a follow-up video, so what this looks like in 3 weeks when it's all fermented. Thank you for watching today's video on how to steep your own rhubarb and ginger gin. So as I say, it will just take a couple of weeks for this to actually start looking pink like rhubarb gin, and I will show you the final results. I'll pop back and do a video probably in about 3 weeks time of what this actually looks like. So do hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give it a like if you did, and remember you can subscribe up here and check out my previous video just over here. I'll see you again soon. Bye!